Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial, and today I'd like to talk to you about some of our food service dollies. The first one is the 50112. This is our bulk sheet pan dolly. This is a monster. This will hold 140 18 by 26 sheet pans. It has huge 8-inch casters and can roll those 140 sheet pans all over the kitchen for any application. Like all of our products, is primary grade aluminum, will never rust or corrode, so it's ideal for cold environment or wet or damp environments. Next, I'd like to talk to you about our oval tray dolly. This dolly is designed obviously to hold oval trays. It stacks up. We've got sides on it to protect and keep the stack. It's again made from all of our primary aluminum, so it'll never rust or corrode. This one has a type of handle, or you can also use the $11.99 hook to pull it around the kitchen. All of these dollies have our plate type caster. As you can see, we have a plate welded to the bottom of each of the dollies, and then the caster is bolted into that plate. This provides a lot of durability and longevity for any of the dollies. Next, I want to talk about our angle style sheet pan dolly. This is a basic dolly, again with the same plate type casters, which offers a lot of durability and allows a lot of weight bearing. So you can stack this up pretty high. It also comes with the $11.99 angle handle, which you can use to move this dolly around the kitchen. A lot of times this is just left in place and used for storage where it is, but we do offer the hook function on the front of it so you can move it around. Next, I want to talk about our two-tiered mobile dolly. This is designed to give you two stacks, so you're not getting a full high, tall stack to move around the kitchen. This gives you a little bit more mobility for more sheet pans. Again, those are the 18 by 26 sheet pans. And in these videos, we're showing colored pans, but obviously you would be using your standard aluminum 18 by 26 sheet pans. These all, again, have the plate type caster on the bottom, which gives them much more durability and flexibility. They can take a lot more weight. This one has a weight capacity of 900 pounds and allows it to be mobile and move all over the kitchen. Lastly, I'd like to talk about our steam table pan dolly. This unit was designed for a correctional facility that uses many steam table pans. So they wanted some way to transport them after cleaning, and this was the solution. So you can stack up hundreds of steam table pans on this particular dolly. This is heavy duty, it's got big tubing, and it's fully welded. Again, it comes with that plate type caster that gives you the durability and the weight bearing capacity. This thing will hold 1,000 pounds and move around the kitchen. As always with all of our products, if you see something you like and you'd like it customized, we can always do that for you. You can reach us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our website for specs and more information at newageindustrial.com.